Alright, good morning everyone. We are live. We're a little late, but had some hiccups trying to go live, but we're here. Market has already gone up 25 points. Let's read our disclaimer before we get started. Any views expressed in this channel, Elliot Wave YouTube channel, are those of the author only. Any communications for informational discussion and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, nor is it an incentive to invest or an offer to buy or sell futures, commodities, or a solicitation to buy or sell any investment product, asset class in, I lost myself, I'm sorry. Buy or sell an investment product, asset class in any jurisdiction. Any views, valuations, if ever expressed or quoted by a sell trade only estimates and are rejected to change. All investment ideas discussed in this channel may invoke risk and there is a possibility of total loss or that losses may exceed the amount of investment. It is the sole responsibility of the reviewer to ensure he or she is compliant with all applicable laws and regulations. The Elliot Wave Master Channel is not a licensed investor advisor, community trading advisor, nor is it licensed as such in any federal or state regulatory agency. Investors and traders are responsible for their own investment trading decisions, including entries, exits, and the use of stops. Arthur is not responsible for any loss or damage arising from or in connection with any use of any information from this channel. Alright, that's out of the way. It's pretty long. Okay, here we are. Make sure everything is in view. Alright, let's start looking for some ways. So we are a Elliot Wave based channel. We look for entries based on Elliot waves. So we just hit a top and the market reversed down, lost 6 points. So we do have our resistance all the way up there. Let me lower this down.
Reversing.
1 second. Make that a little lower. Okay. So we are using a live account. We're going to go for maximum loss of $300. If we lose that, we're out, and if the market is going good, we may switch to SIM, but we'll see how it goes. So we do have, is it showing here? So we do have our resistance line all the way up there at 58.7. And I haven't drawn one on the bottom yet. Give me 1 second. So I look at longer period time frames to decide where our support and resistance areas will be. So I'm looking at a 20 Renko chart to decide where my support and resistance lines will be. So we have a few actually. Alright. Let me draw some arrows, some rectangle. Okay. Drawing tools. Stay in drawing mode. And let's do a rectangle. Okay, so got a rectangle here. And then we have a smaller one right here. Let me fill them in. Oh, charts. Bottom is always going to be red. Oh, charts. Color. Ooh, I put light crimson instead, but it's okay. Alright.
Reversing.
Okay, so now we have our lines here.
Reversing.
Ah, marker is close to our area already. Okay. So let's see what we're seeing here. So long period market is starting to go neutral. That's what I see. Short period
Reversing.
we are
Reversing.
down because of this drop right here, which we could be doing a we could be in an inside correction of wave 3. So let me see if we could start counting this. So wave 2 would be up. So that's beginning of 1, that's beginning of 2. Okay. So I don't know if we are on a wave 2 yet. If we were to be in a wave 2, I would be more comfortable in this area here. Let me wave 2 target area, I'm going to make a yellow. So that's it right there. We may take a long to see if we can go up to this yellow zone. So I do have ATM strategies with stops and exits. I have a 10 tick and I have a 30 tick. The 10 tick stop is 15 and the 30 tick is 25. But you're welcome to go for any of these targets.
Reversing.
Wave 2 could be a little shorter, but I'll be more comfortable going short if it hits this area here. I'm gonna look for a long right now. So I have also a 1 minute chart which I look for entries and exits. I also have a volume chart open. I have a market profile heat bell open. Alright, I'm gonna go for a long.
Order filled.
I'm gonna raise my exit a little bit. Usually wave 2 goes halfway inside of that target. I'm cautious, so I usually don't chance it. If I get skittish, I will get out of this trade. Ooh, I didn't like It did reach a little resistance area
Reversing.
from this last pivot right here. So 47 flat. Oh, it didn't go to, it went to
Reversing.
46.6. Alright, let's see if we can get some buyers. Oh, that should have went up. Alright, that's scaring me a little bit. Come on, let's go. Come on. Okay, I'm getting out.
Target filled.
So I got out of 46.6. It hit that resistant area. It's gonna, it'll go up, but hey, I prefer 115 with commission than 0. Okay, so now we will start looking for shorts. But I will not feel comfortable unless we're halfway through. I mean, it can go all the way to wave 1. So, but
Reversing. Reversing.
alright, so we reached our target. Alright, first good trade. Usually I like to quit at 500 unless the market is really easy to read, and then we'll stay. Alright, so let's do some plotting here. Let's look for our wave 3 to the downside. But I'm a little bit scared of this because we would be going against the trend. So I'm not going to make any moves unless we're already halfway through. But then halfway through, you're taking a chance on writing just a little pullback instead of an actual wave 3. So this is the beginning of 1, that's the beginning of 2, and that's the beginning of 3. So our first target on wave 3 would be at 33. 1933. Our second target is 21.6. I'm not going to make any drawings now because I want to follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Now let me see if we could be on a wave 3 to the upside. So wave 3 to the upside would be if we count this. Let me see. If we count this the beginning of 1, that's the beginning of 2. So we did go into wave 2 territory. Let me draw another box. So this would be target for wave 2 is right in here. So almost halfway. We went in.
Reversing.
Okay, oh, I'm sorry, you guys not even seeing this. There it is, global. Okay, sorry about that. So, beginning of 1 is here. That's beginning of 2, and this is beginning of 3.
Reversing.
So I would be more comfortable going up to this target here than taking a short. But I am not gonna take, so yeah, we're in no man's land now. I could take a long at 48.7, or I could wait till 51.7 and then go for. So either way, we could be on a wave 3 to the upside or downside. I'm gonna go and change my ATM to 30 ticks. So either I'll be going short. Let me plot our wave 3 to the upside. Again, I'm looking at a longer chart. So this would be the beginning of 1, beginning of 2, and beginning of 3. So wave 3 to the upside. First target is at first target 67.7. Second target would be at 81.3. I'm just using some Fibonacci tools to figure them out. All right, long's looking a lot better. I'm gonna attempt to take the long right now. I'm gonna go long.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right. So on the way up, we do have resistance from this pivot right here. And that would be right there at 57, I'm sorry, 52.7. Ooh, did we take this too early? Well, we got a little bit of room because we just made 115, but I don't want to start from 0 again. But I am seeing a lot of pressure to the upside in the volume chart. That's one of the reasons why I took the trade. I'm very tempted to raise it up. All right, I'm going to raise it up. I'm going to raise it up to resistance from this pivot here. But you guys are welcome to go all the way to target. But 58.6 definitely looks good, but I'm going to do our first
Reversing.
target. I mean, I think you'll have a hard time passing this resistant line here, but the true wave 3 target. So wave 3, I'm gonna do Cayenne.
Reversing.
So that's our target right there.
Reversing. Reversing.
All right, we're getting a little challenge here from the sellers, but I'm still seeing a lot of pressure to the upside. Again, if I get skittish, I'll just get
Reversing.
right out, or I will raise my stop. Oh man, we may get taken out here. That's not going to be good. All right, we need a big spike up. Let's go. And we need to clear 49.7.
Reversing.
So ES is positive, YM still negative, NQ is at 121. This is live, August 26, 2020. We are trading gold, one contract. Here we go. Come on, baby. Okay, this is for pure entertainment. You follow our trades, you're following at your own risk. This is entertainment and educational. We're not giving any advice. I'm just narrating what I'm doing. We're on a live account, one contract.
Reversing.
Our maximum risk is $300 negative. We
Reversing.
usually target 500 to 1,000. It all depends how easy the market is giving it up. Okay. So is it going to try to do a wave 3 down? It could. But we are trying to follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Market tried to go lower here. It couldn't. So we got some higher highs. That's always a good sign. Higher lows. We're still within the channel. Alright, as long as we don't get under 46.7, I'm still okay with the trade. Come on, let's go. CL just went negative. Oh, neutral, negative.
Reversing.
All right. So we did pass 49.7 and it got stalled a little bit, but I think now we're back
Reversing.
on our way up. Come on, let's go. Ooh, that's not good. That is not good. Come on. Stay up. Come on, buyers. Hopefully, we're just seeing people clear trades here. Usually I don't like to lower my stop, but there's a little pivot from this right here, which starts at 46.1 and it ends right where our stop is. So I'm just gonna lower it. Just 3 ticks. Usually I don't like to lower, but just in case it just touches that, I'm gonna go to 45.1. Just in case it wants to test this little area here. But I'm not a fan of moving stops unless we are at a critical area where the stop is, if it's in between a resistance and support area. And nothing pisses me off more when it hits resistance and bounce back, and if you had just lowered your stop or raised it by 1 or 2 ticks, then you would have been okay. That pisses me off. All right, come on, buyers. Let's go. So our stop is above the high, so we're looking for the market to make new highs. And we'll feel it. If it's going with momentum, we'll raise our target. Because sometimes it just likes to keep making these new highs, and we don't want to lose an opportunity. So we'll see how it reacts when it reaches the high of the day. Alright, looks like we're back on track. So the high is 51.6, is that what it is? Yeah.
Reversing.
Here we go. Come on, baby. Here it is. Okay. I got my finger on. I'm moving it up, moving it up. I'm going to move it up to 54.3. Oh, it just reached the... So there's a resistant area from this pivot here, and it reached it and it bounced off of it. That's where our original target it was, right? Remember? So we would have gotten filled, but it looks like the market is trying to go for new highs. You know what? I'm gonna get out. I'm at 52.6. All right, I'm gonna lower it to 52.2. Come on. Oh man. All right, I want a little more momentum on that. All right, I'm gonna raise my stop to break even. Actually, I'm gonna go up one tick, pay commission. Come on. Lowering my stop, 51.8. Come on, give me out.
Target filled.
All right, I'm happy. We are at 470. One contract, 470. Trade still looking good to the upside, but I prefer 300 plus in my pocket than waiting for long targets. So based on this wave here, I'm sorry, based on this wave and this wave here, there's no way wave 3 has finished. If we are on a wave 3, you never know what the market wants to do. I'm just looking at my 1 minute. So we could be in a intermediate 1, 2, 3. So that's beginning of 1, beginning of 2. And then we go and do a little ABC inside of 3, and then boom, 5. Okay, I'm going to change my ATM strategy to 10. If I see an opportunity to scalp another 10 ticks, I will, which it looks like I may.
Reversing.
I'm taking
Order it. Target filled.
Yes! There you go. There you go. Another $100 in the bank. Looks like it's going up, guys. So actual wave 3 target is 67.5, but I think there's going to be a lot of resistance at 57.8. Mark is already 30 points. This is above the average of the last 5 trading days. So I'm not sure that the market would go for 50 points positive. Okay, so I'm going to remove this here because obviously we are not on a wave 3 to the downside. All right, we are at 566 with commission. All right, what are we seeing here? So there was a lot of sellers at the pivot from this high here, the resistance area, which we are in it now. Market looks like it's going to go up again. I may take a long again, just a little scalp. Where am I? I'm going for
Order
it.
filled.
Long again, scalping. Another 10 ticks. Oh, it's gonna take us out, and I do not want to give any money back, so I'm not gonna move my stop. Actually, gonna move my target up. I'm at 54.2. Ooh, I'm gonna lower it. 53.9. I should have left it. I would have been out already. Got greedy. You do not want to get greedy. Got greedy. I could have been out already. Oh.
Order submitted.
Oh, I did not want to do that. I added another contract by mistake.
Order canceled.
Oh man, got greedy. Oh, what happened here? Oh, I erased the wrong one. Bummer. Okay. I put another stop here. Oh, it's
Order
gonna take us out.
submitted.
Bummer. Actually, 2 ticks lower. Oh man, I got greedy. I hate that. Come on, let's go. Come on, new highs, new highs. Alright, I'm gonna lower my target halfway. I'll take the 50. I don't care. I should be getting out at even. I'm upset. I'm gonna get out at even. Get me out. Get me out.
Order canceled.
I'm out. It'll probably go back up, but I don't care. I'm upset at myself, so. Alright. We're 561. But the upside still looks good, but I just. that kind of screwed my mojo, but it's going up. A lot of pressure to the upside, guys.
Reversing.
We'll probably see a big bar up. But I'm out. I'm out. And there it is. Woo! Would have been taken out. 10 ticks. Would have reached another target. Would have been up 600. But it's okay. Could have, would have. Doesn't help me. Alright, I may take another scalp here. I'm going long.
Order filled.
Going long. Let's go. Come on, new high, let's go. Oops, sorry guys. Come on buyers, let's go. New high. Alright, we're fix this here. Target areas. Ooh.
Reversing.
Oh, come on. Now that we've got anything to take us out. Alright, market is not going to go for new highs, huh? Okay, we need to start looking at other trades here. Yeah, we are at the top of the bell. We'll probably, yeah, we're going to get taken out here.
Stop fill.
Alright, we're out. I could have lowered it a little bit because there's a resistant area from this right here, but market should have went higher. So we may have seen exhaustion. We're at the top of the range or the average. Well, and ha, yeah. I'm gonna take a long again, guys,
Order filled.
and I'm gonna go all the way up this time. Now I'm seeing a lot of momentum here. Actually, I'm gonna do a 25 tick stop.
Reversing. Reversing.
All right.
Reversing.
So it looks like we are on an ABC to the upside. And if we are on an ABC in between wave 3, the ABC usually has two targets. First target is at 57.7 and second target is at 58.2. Let me draw some rectangles. So I'm going to leave them as blue because it's just an ABC. Oh, come on. Oh, no, come on. Come on.
Stop filled. Reversing.
All right.
Reversing.
We're down to 142. All right. So I was right about the range. Market may have seen its highs. All right. So let me see about a wave 4 here. We may be going for a wave 4 now. I'm going to take a long.
Order filled.
I think we are going for a little wave 4, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me do a target area. Oh, I did a circle instead. That's alright. I'll just leave it as a circle. But you guys know it's wave 4. Wave 4 is going to be
Target filled.
orange. Well, we are filled already.
Reversing.
Alright. Wave 4. It should have been a triangle, a rectangle, but we're a wave 4. I'm going to look for a
Reversing.
short. I'm going to be looking for a short as soon as I see some selling pressure. But wave 3 is not eliminated yet. As long as it doesn't pass wave 2, we could still be on a wave 3. But this right here, all of this kind of shunned me out of it. I think we reached the top of the range. So I'm going to be looking for shorts. I'm looking for shorts. We're at the top of the bell. Market may want to go to point of control, POC. Could have went for new highs. It should have done at least 5 ticks of, 5 points a new high. It only did like 1 or 2 points. Alright, I want to keep my eye on the market, my finger on the
Reversing.
trigger, but I'm going to go and figure where wave 5 to the downside would be. So, ooh.
Reversing.
So that's beginning of 1, that's beginning of 2, that's beginning of 3, that's beginning of 4, and this is the top of 4. So target would be at 49. 49 or 49, 49.7 or 49.2. So I'm looking for a little seller action. But wave 3 is still active. So it's up to you if you want to take a wave 3, if you're feeling the market's going up, or if you feel that it's going to go and start retracing. And I like the retracement a little better. I'm going short.
Order submitted. Order filled.
And I'm going to go to target.
Reversing.
49.9, but you could actually lower a little bit and you can go to, ooh, did I make a mistake here? Oh, I should be at 25 ticks. I should be at 25 ticks because I didn't change my ATM strategy to 30 ticks. So 91, so it'll be 52.5, 52.5, 53.5. Alright, 25 ticks. I'm at 53.9. And I'm going to lower my target to halfway of where there would be resistance from oops. Oh,
Stop filled.
no. Okay. We're negative 6 points now. And there it is, going for the new highs. At this time of the day, it gets tricky. And this is why I like to make our 500 and leave. Alright, it's got a new high. 54.9. So avoid all of that wave 4 nonsense. We're definitely not on a wave 4 because it breached this area here, so we are still on that wave 3. Gonna take one more trade. Doesn't go our way, I'm out.
Reversing. 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 Reversing.
I'm still liking the short though. I'm taking a short.
Order submitted.
I'm going short. I think the market is not going to go for new highs. Come on. Get me in already.
Order filled.
Alright, I think we're in the beginning of a wave
Reversing.
3 to the downside. So this would be beginning of 1, 2, no, I'm sorry. First, let me do wave 2 up. Alright, so the market definitely reached resistance from this area here, and I think we are actually starting a wave 1 to the downside. Which would end right here. I'm sorry, I said wave 3, sorry. Wave 1 to the downside. Target is in between 48.7 and 47.9 is the target. I'm gonna be at the top of the target. I'm just gonna use this right here. But we need to change the color. Let's make wave wave 1 let's do a dark blue. Wave 1. If you're bullish, wave 3 to the upside is still valid. Wave 3 is not voided until it passes wave 1, right? Which is all the way at the bottom over here. That's where wave 1 starts. So we are still we could still be on a wave 3 to the upside. But this right here just kind of scared me off. So new high, instead of going back up and doing a lower high and going for another high, it breached this area here. So I'm trying to get over this. So it breached this area here, and that scared me off. We should have stopped here and gone up instead of going all the way down. So I'm just gonna raise my stop just a little bit above the high, just in case it just wants to test that. So this is our last trade if we go negative. If we get stopped out, we are done. Alright guys, I'm gonna grab a little bite right here. I'm starving. So we're going for target wave 1, which started right here. Alright, I'm starting to see a lot of pressure to the downside. This area would be a good area for a little 1-point scalp. So I'm going to go and change my ATM back to 10 ticks. Just in case we do get filled, I'll go for it quick. Because they will bounce off this area here for sure. Come on, let's go. As soon as it starts reaching our target, I'm gonna have my finger ready to go on. Oh, come on. We don't want to see that. We don't want this as a higher low. We cannot exceed 51.8. We need to come down again. If we reach 51.8, then we're going to see a little higher high off of this pullback. Here we go. Come on. Come on. We need a little lower low. Come on. Finger on the trigger to go long. Come on. 1 point. I'm gonna lower my stop. I want to live to fight another day. We're wrong on this. We'll have a chance again. We'll only be negative. No, we'll be positive actually. There we go. Finger on the trigger. Come on. Come on.
Target filled. Order filled.
Come on. Bounce back up. Let's go. Come on. Bounce back up. Come on. Let's go. Come on, baby. No, come on. Bounce back up. Come on. Ah.
Reversing.
Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Might have taken that a little bit too soon. I may get out halfway on this trade. I have my finger on the Superdome. I already clicked on the trade
Reversing.
to move it down. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna come on. Pressure to the upside. Let's go. Alright, not looking good. We may get stopped out here.
Reversing. Reversing.
Come on, you gotta correct a little bit. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna move it to 49.1.
Reversing.
49.1. But not looking good. I should raise my stop also. May have taken the trade a little too soon. We should have been at halfway, not in the beginning. Alright, starting to see some buyers as far as volume.
Reversing. Reversing.
Anybody have any questions?
Reversing.
Let me know. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, definitely seeing some pressure to the upside. I may raise my target again. All right, I'm gonna raise it. Oh, that's too high. Way too high.
Reversing.
All right, I'm gonna raise it to 49.6. 10 ticks again. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Positive area. Let's go. All right, so we need to figure out where wave 2 would be,
Reversing.
right? So this would be the beginning of wave 1, beginning of wave 2. Wave 2 is 51.2 is the beginning. So I'm gonna do a little yellow target area. This is where wave
Reversing. Reversing.
2 would be. Oops. Sorry guys. Remove. Okay, so wave 2 is yellow. Alright, that's where wave 2 target would be. I'm tempted to move it up. I'm going to move it up just right there to 50. So market could have just bounced off this area
Target
here.
filled.
Target filled. Okay. So we're back at $474 positive. With commission. Market's trying to trick us, So now I'm gonna be very skittish. I'm almost tempted to just end it right here. I mean, technically we are at 520 plus without counting commission, but if you're a true trader, this is real. I'm counting commission. So many times in the past, because of $1, I've lost everything. So because of $25, I don't know if I want to go to reach the 500 when I already have 475 in the bank. I'm gonna watch a bit, but I could be tempted to get out. Technically, wave 3 is still valid in the overall picture, but there's a lot of noise in here, so I don't believe it. I believe we are on a wave 3 to the downside. Well, I'm wave 2 looking for a wave 3. So beginning of 1, beginning of 2, target of 2. Usually target area for 2 is very long because it doesn't get eliminated until it reaches 1. So there's a lot of room inside of wave 2 target area. So it's very hard to take a short anywhere here. Usually I like to see the momentum and move of wave 3 already going down before I take it. We could be doing an ABC to go up to finish wave So we could be doing an ABC. We are already done with B. Now C would be to go up from here. So B is this area that we're in now. And let's see where C would end on the upside. So then I'm going to count. I'm tempted to take another long. But I don't want to give any money back. Maybe wave 1 is longer. See a lot of pressure to the downside. (9 a.m. Pacific time. If you guys are learning something, or if you're following the trades and making some money, please donate to our PayPal account. It's very hard to narrate and do trades, so actually I make a lot more money when I'm just concentrating. So if you're happy, please click subscribe, hit the like button, donate. On our banner on our page there's a link to our PayPal. I appreciate it if you do. I'm going to take a long.
Order filled.
All right, trying to finish this wave 2. And if we hit this, we are done. Come on. Seeing some buyers come in. Come on, let's go. I'm getting out.
Target filled.
I'm getting out. That's it. Guys, I'm done. 540. So we went up all the way to almost 600. Oh, our target would have been filled. But we're all good. Went down to 0 again and back up. Roller coaster day, but we're walking away with 540. We are done. This is our first day broadcasting live. Little experiment, see how it goes. See if I can get some subscribers. I want to help people trade, do well in the market, help them improve. Two brains are better than one. So if you're getting some mental blocks, maybe I could help you clear some of them by the way I look at the market. All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us. Please click like, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm gonna try to open up at 6:20 Pacific time. Today we're a little bit late trying to get all of our ducks in a row. But it was a good day. All right. Thank you, everyone. And we'll see you tomorrow. How do I shut this down? Here we go.